beautifuls, it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my IPSY box for the month of March 2025. We're going to get right into what's in my box here. If you're not familiar with the IPSY BoxyCharm box, this box is $32 a month plus $1.99 for shipping and handling. And this box ships out every month. You do get to pick, I think, what do we pick? 2 things out of this box? Or is it 2 or 3 things out of this box you get to pick? And yeah, I think it's 3 things we get to pick, and then they send you 2 things they choose for you based on your profile. So without any further delay, let's get into what's in my box. Alright gang, let's go ahead and get in here. So our card for the month says that main character energy. So that is the theme for this month's box for March. So that's pretty cool. Eat, glam, love. Set out for an adventure this spring to romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty finds that give you the main character energy all day, every day. That's cute. So on the back, they just have some information you can scan to find out about the items in your box and some sneak peeks. So that's all that's on the back of the card. So we're just going to pop right into this thing. So the first item I'm pulling out is these brushes. I remember selecting these. So I did choose this. This is by Camara, A Unique Beauty, and this is the Virtuous Woman brushes. That's a different name, right? That's really unique. So let me open these up so I can show you these 2 brushes. All right. Look at the handles on here, like with the wood, and it's really like shined up. They look really nice. So I'm just going to take these 2 off here. So these are the 2 brushes that we receive. A foundation brush, and this is more like a do they label them? Because some of them label them and tell you what to use them for. But this brush is called Mary. That is funny. It doesn't say which. I would just use this for like under eyes or whatever have you, or I might use it for my blush brush. And then the other brush here has the name Esther. So the brushes actually have the names of the women in the Bible. How unique is that? That is really, really, really unique. So I've never seen nothing like that before. So Camara, A Unique Virtuous Woman brush set. This is volume 2, Mary and Esther. And that is the first item that I'm pulling out of my box. So let's go to the next one. And I love when they come with these little brush savers here. I use these when I wash the brushes to kind of help them keep their shape. So I like to keep these. So let's see what the next thing is in my box. The next item here I have Into Deep. I remember selecting this as well. So this is a perfume by 5 Senses. So let's open this one up here. And this one here has notes. This is how it looks outside, a nice travel size of this fragrance. And it's Into Deep is the name of the fragrance. And it's a clean vegan product, cruelty free, all of that jazz. It has notes of Tahitian vanilla, Italian bergamot, sparkling sugar, and what is this other one here? Australian sandalwood and musk. So you know we love fragrance on this channel over here, so we spray. We spray. So, oh, I smell that Tahitian vanilla. The musk doesn't come in that heavy though. This smells nice and clean though. Okay, so this has a very like nice scent to it. It's a nice light, like kind of summery scent, a little bit fruity smelling, not really heavy, but it has a nice scent. I like this. So again, this one is called Into Deep by 5 Senses, 5 Sins rather. So this is a nice little travel size one. So let's go to the next thing and see what else is in here. The next item I have, this is Misha Beauty. I have a lip balm butter rather. And does it have what the color is? Looks like Amana or something like that. So this is the lip butter here. Not familiar with this brand. I don't know. Have you guys seen this brand before? I'm not that familiar with them. So this is a new brand to me that I'm seeing in the box. But yeah, this is just the lip butter. So That's what it looks like when you open it up. So it looks like it's like a neutral kind of tannish color or cocoa color for the lip balm. But yeah, that's what we got. We got a lip balm. And the next item I got in here, we have Shades by Shan. And then we just got something else by Shades by Shan. I thought it was the last box. I don't remember what it was though. This is a brow pencil by Shades by Shan. So let me take this one out. It says brow gel. And I have the color soft black. So let's pull that one out. And this is how it comes outside of the packaging. And it has the little crayon part you just twist up rather. And then let's see what this color kind of looks like. I'm gonna just do a mark on the back of my hand for us to kind of get an idea. Oh, this is not bad. Yeah, the color came really quick. Looks like I drew an eyebrow. Yeah, but the color it's not bad. It looks like it's at least buildable, which is good. When you're doing your brows, and you could kind of just use your spoolie to kind of blend it out a little bit to your liking. But yeah, that looks good. Looks good. I like that one. So again, this is the brow pencil, and this is by Shades by Shan, and this is their brow pencil. So this is the soft black color. So we have our very last item in here, and I got a Fenty Beauty product, so I love that. So we have the Fenty Cheeks. So this is a blush, and it is in the color, oh, Daiquiri Dip. Ooh, child, let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside of the box, and it has like an asymmetrical shape here, and it has the paper. We're going to take that out. There is no mirror, so this is the color. Now that's a red. Now because I knew this was in the box, I did put a little blush on, but you know we gonna try this one out anyway. So I got a brush. I'm dangerous, so we're gonna try some of this out. And I'm not sure what to expect, but we'll see in a moment. It has a lot of color on there. Let me tap off. Let's see. Ooh, it's red. Hold on. Let's go over here. See if I need some more. Oh, it is red. It is really red. Really red. I'm trying to use the side of the brush to kind of blend it out. Well, we know it's definitely a daiquiri girl. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yes, that wasn't even like using a whole bunch. This has a lot of pigment to it. So if you're somebody like me who loves blush, because I feel like the older you get, you look like you kind of washed out. You kind of need the blush to kind of give you some youthfulness. So I use blush all the time, so I feel like it really helps you kind of maintain a nice youthful look, because you know you're not 20 anymore, and you don't have that little light hue of pink that you can naturally do on your own. So I like using blush, but this one looks like it will be a fave for me. I like how pigmented it is. So yeah, so in review, the 5 items that came in my box, we have our Fenty Daiquiri Girl. Is it Daiquiri Girl? I think I said Daiquiri Dip. I'm sorry, Daiquiri Dip. This is the Fenty Cheeks. We have 5 Sins, and this is Into Deep Perfume. We have our what is this? Virtuous Women Brush Set. That is, I've never heard of that. But I like the brushes. They look bougie because they have, they have that finished glaze to them, so they don't look cheap. And then I also have the Misha Beauty. This is their lip balm butter. And we have the Shades by Shan eyebrow pencil. So that's this here. So I like this box. I don't know why they put it in this giant box. There was not much in here. Y'all could have saved some money and sent me a smaller box. But anywho, love this. This is my fave right off the top. My second fave is going to be the perfume. And my third fave is going to be, you know what, I like the brush and I like the brow stuff, but I have to put the brow stuff to work to see how that lasts all day. That's kind of like my, you know, little thing there to see if it lasts all day. I don't want to like be touching my brows and then they done went somewhere. But yeah, I need to play with this a little bit longer. I want to see how this really works. But I really like this one. I pretty much like everything. I like lip butter. So I mean, I'm a happy camper. So I'm a happy camper with this box. If you guys did pick up this BoxyCharm box, let me know what you got in yours, what items you selected. I love chatting with you guys below. But guys, I guess that's a wrap. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But until my next one, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.